Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today we will see chapter 10 in your GK book. So take out your book and open page number 1818. Chapter 10, Flying Creatures. Children, you know what are flying creatures? Flying creatures means bird. Children, do you know what are birds? Birds are the only creature on the earth that can fly and blessed with wings. Children, do you know birds are different from each other? Some are very big, some are small, some are very heavy, some are very light. So we will see in this chapter about these birds. Now we will read from here. The only creatures that are blessed with wings and can fly in the sky are the birds. As I told you, these are the only creatures that can fly and blessed with wings. They are our flying friends. These are called our flying friends. Now look at the following pictures, read the clues and then write their names using the help box. Now few pictures are given here of the birds. Now we will see clues are written in front of each bird. We will read these clues. Now we will find out which bird is this. So and help box is given also at the end of the chapter. It is here. Now we will find out the bird's name from here. So let's start with first. I am the fastest swimming bird, but I cannot fly. This is the bird. It is the fastest swimming bird, but it cannot fly. It is an aquatic bird. You know, this bird cannot fly, but what is the uses of its wings? It uses its wings for swimming in deep water. Which bird is this? This is penguin. The spelling of penguin is P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Now we will see second bird. First of all, we will read this clue. I am the largest bird on the earth. Children, this bird is the largest bird on the earth. It has long legs and long neck. Legs are too long and neck is also too long. Children, it is very heavy in weight, so it cannot fly. Then what is the use of its wings? It uses its wings when it runs. It changes its direction using its wings. It can run very fast. This is ostrich. The spelling of ostrich is O-S-T-R-I-C-H. This is ostrich. Now number 3, I am regarded as the wisest bird. This bird is known as the wisest bird. Which bird is this? This is owl. Children, you know owl has very big eyes, but it cannot move its eyelids. And it you know about that one thing more, it sleeps in daytime and awakes at night. Now the spelling of owl is O-W-L, owl. Now we will see the next bird. This is number 4. My eyesight is very powerful. This bird has a very powerful eyesight. And children, when it fly high, it can see its prey very easily on the earth. Which bird is this? This is an eagle. The spelling of eagle is E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Children, now we will see number 5, this bird. What is written here about it? I have a bald head. What is the meaning of bald head? Bald head means it has no hair on its head and it eats dead animal. Which bird is this? This is vulture. So we will see the spelling of vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Now children, we will see the spelling of these birds on the board. So the first spelling is, which bird is this? This is penguin. The spelling of penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Children, now start writing with me in beautiful handwriting. The first letter of penguin should be capital. The spelling of penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N. G-U-I-N, penguin. Number 2, this is the largest bird on the earth. Which bird is this? This is ostrich. The spelling of ostrich is O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Again you can see here O should be capital. Now number 3, wisest bird on the earth. Which bird is this? This is owl. This is an owl. The spelling of owl is O-W-L, owl. Number 4, it has very powerful eyesight. Which bird is this? This is an eagle. So what is the spelling of eagle? E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Now we will see number 5. This bird has no hair on its head. It has bald head. It is a bald head bird. Which bird is this? This is vulture. So we will write the spelling of vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Now children, we will move on the next page, page number 1919. Now children, we will see next bird. First of all, we will read the clue. I am the third largest bird in the world. Children, this bird is the third largest bird in the world. Its body is covered in fluffy and soft feathers. Which bird is this? This is emu. The spelling of emu is E-M-U. Now, we will see the next bird, number 7. I am the smallest bird. This bird is the smallest bird on the earth. It has very tiny legs. This is the only bird which can fly backwards. Which bird is this? This is hummingbird. The spelling of hummingbird is H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, bird, hummingbird. Now we will see the next bird, number 8. I am the world's tallest flying bird. This bird is very tall. Its height is about 4 to 5 feet long and it is found in white color. Which bird is this? This is Sarus crane. The spelling of Sarus crane is S-A-R-U-S, Sarus, C-R-A-N-E, crane, Sarus crane. Now we will see the next bird, number 9. I am often found standing on one leg. Usually you will find this bird always standing on one leg. Which bird is this? This is flamingo. It is pretty well known about its vibrant pink color and it has long leg and long neck. Which bird is this? This is flamingo. The spelling of flamingo is F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Now we will see the last bird. This is, I am the national bird of New Zealand. This bird is the national bird of New Zealand. It has very tiny wings. It cannot fly. Which bird is this? This is kiwi. We also have our national bird for our country. This is peacock. Just like our national bird, New Zealand is also having its national bird. This is kiwi. The spelling of kiwi is K-I-W-I, kiwi. Now we will see all these spellings on the board. Number 6. This is the third largest bird in the world. Which bird is this? This is an emu. The spelling of emu is E-M-U. Now we will see number 7. This is the smallest bird. Which bird is this? This is hummingbird. The spelling of hummingbird is H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, I-N-G, humming, and bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Number 8 is, this is the tallest flying bird. Which bird is this? This is Sarus crane. So, the spelling of Sarus crane is S-A-R-U-S, Sarus, and crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. Now, number 9 is, this bird often found standing on one leg. Which bird is this? This is flamingo. The spelling of flamingo is F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Now, number 10, this is the national bird of New Zealand. Which bird is this? This is kiwi. The spelling of kiwi is K-I-W-I, kiwi. So, children, now we will see the fact of this chapter. Now, children, we will read the fact. The fact is, hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly sideways and backwards. As I told you, this is the only bird which can fly backwards. So, children, this is all about today's chapter. I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.